Hello and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and notification icon now to never miss out on our new videos. How to do hard reset for your body. Number 1, work out every day. Do at least one physical activity a day, preferably in the morning. Make it a vigorous, intense, and base it on the level you're at. The more you can exhaust your body, the more you can control your energy, mood, and emotions. Number 2, eliminate snacking. Keep yourself to your main meals and get rid of any forms of eating in between. This trains you to only eat when you need to. A good way to test your hunger is the apple test. If you are not hungry enough to eat an apple, then you probably don't need to eat. Number 3, only drink water. Get rid of all sodas, fruit juices and caloric drinks and trade it for drinking water. This helps you get rid of unnecessary calories and sugar. It also helps you increase energy and fullness due to increased water intake. The only exception is coffee. Number 4, eliminate all processed sugar. Processed sugar are made to be addictive. They also ruin your taste buds for single-ingredient nutrient-dense foods. Eating them can also lead to energy swings and mood issues. Eliminate these to reset your taste buds and body. Number 5, no screening 1 hour prior to sleeping. Looking at screen before bed is like telling your body it's time to be awake. Light some candles, do some journaling and read a book prior to sleeping. This will help you turn your brain off and prep for a good night of sleep. Number 6, get sun exposure morning, noon, and evening. Get out in nature as often as you can. Sun exposure acts as a signal to your body, and it's one of the best ways to train your circadian rhythms. The more sun you get on your body, the better your sleep will be. Number 7, get introspective. There's a reason why you reach for foods to numb your emotions. Studies show that addiction to food can be linked back to unresolved trauma. We need to find out where the addiction comes from and do necessary work to heal it from the root. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, subscribe and click on the notification icon to never miss out on new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. Thank you.